Here is a car that was left under a chestnut tree for a week, and I'm going to turn it from this into this. Hi there, I'm Chad from Dent. Today, I'm going to show you a service we offer that can save you thousands of dollars. A customer brought us his 2006 Acura TSX with 100 dents all over it. It was priced out in body shop pricing at close to $10,000. That is about what the car is worth, and it would have been written off. But then, Dentcraft took a look. Normally, we repair one or two dents that are bothering a vehicle owner, but in some rare cases like this one, we get to fix dozens or even hundreds of dents on a vehicle. Look at that. It looks like this car broke out in a rash. Okay, this is day 2, and we've got the deck lid looking way better. And the roof, I've got half the roof done, not this half. This is the half that I still got to do today. It's looking pretty smooth compared to yesterday. I'll show you my setup. We got all our lights out. The more light, the better to see these dents. Just about to start working on these dents here. As you can see, all the dents are gone. I will flip back and forth here between before and after shots so you can easily see the transformation. The way I did this is I essentially pushed the metal back into place. That's really easy to say, but doing it is an entirely different matter. That is what sets us apart, our skill and experience. This is better than painting your car. It's a better repair. It's fast and it maintains the value of your car. Just look at the difference of how this car looked after it took a battering from chestnut bombs, and now it's smooth and flat and looking great again. This is an amazing service, and the weird thing is, not a lot of people know about it, but we are slowly changing that. Give us a call to book an appointment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next repair.